Because you have issues. You have
Walk
issues.
over and find your match. You see the match? No. No.
Why you do it, John Crow?
What she say?
Why you do it, John Crow?
He done lost his marbles.
Most definitely not. Me shame.
Came close, so then came 2 video one day.
Honestly, I would have to say no.
Don't cry yet. Your match touch 3 body parts that attracts her.
Slimmers again.
I feel attract with.
Yo!
Umba.
Yo!
Love proven. Give you your match?
No.
No.
Like, yeah, this one.
Fuck like you wicked.
You think-
Yo.
Oh, you know me not that
What?
Yo, what?
Earth your balloon?
What she say?
Walk up to your match and give your best pick up line. Just not looking at them. Like a lights off to kind of darkness, I know. Looking at them until everything, I know how to do it to you, see me?
Him come back with a book.
Oh,
With the
this
foolishness again. Bro, him come back with the foolishness again. Yo, a who the nice one? You me no know she. Who is her? I don't know she.
Who there? It's the boy crank up anyway. Let's put another video.
I need her for me.
Yo, me like this. Yo, Ochi with there. Yo, me know when you see the background look a little
The
bit
two
different.
swimmers, them, yes.
Because they are the best place in Ochi right now. We're at Bespoke Airbnb, at the best Airbnb in Ochi. Watch you now. The link is in the description.
Airbnb in
so you can see the available dates and the affordable rates. And if I do that, my artist, Bespoke, this is no joke. I need to take a new career. And on YouTube, if you do an artist life. Watch you now. If you don't understand what is Bespoke, watch a clip here. Now you guys looking at this, right?
Huh?
And wondering what this is. No, this is the best Airbnb in Ocherius. St. Han. You get me? This is Bespoke. Country Miss.
I've been there
Cannot
before. What the hell?
miss. You see what I did?
Sorry. Bad that's that, but we have to skip this up, brother. I get it, sponsorship. Yeah, but big up, Bespoke.
Don't forget to subscribe and
Yo,
like.
why the brother you look on the camera so?
Watch it now. If you're new to
What did you say that? I want to him.
the gang, don't forget to subscribe
I want him.
and like the video. The number one.
Nah,
rule on
man, the
channel
two
is to like
slimmers
the
at the
video. If
end.
you love your
Yeah,
mother,
man,
like
them
the
are my
video. If
friend.
you love your father,
Love
like the
them.
video. If you love God, like the video. If you love your pitney, like the video. Me I go see if you don't like the video.
Yeah.
Remember, say YouTube show me who don't like the video. Zine, we need at least 10,000 likes on the video, and we're going up. We need 130k subs by the end of the month, and we have a few days left. Zine, we are getting at the video. Who don't know the video already? Who don't love the video already? I know my style. Crank up. Be at get it done. Hook.
Chad, no. Yeah, for the fuck, Chris. Hot.
Alright, guys. So you know we have the beautiful females on one side. I like how them look, you see, Ochi girls them turn up. Ochi girls them turn up and the Ochi gents them turn up. We are gonna see if them, you know, them give more vibe. And we are gonna see if we find more love in Ochi than Kingston. We are gonna see who turn up more, Ochi or Kingston. So watch you know. We need a female captain and we need a male captain to step forward. Alright, the female them look shaky. I will go on. Gang. You step over my dog. Watch out now.
It's a gang.
And beg of this. We're gonna do a quick rock, paper, scissors, and then we decide who goes first. See? Let's go. Anytime we're ready to start, let's go. Alright. Hold that. I guess this female is gonna go first. Alright. I'm a little
Slimmers
nervous.
just have me a weird.
So we're gonna start with female number.
That's why my
Eight
American
females.
girl
We'll
long
split
time,
it right
bro.
now in the middle. 4. That's you?
Yes.
Oh my God. What's your social?
Bandit Baby, BANDIT BABEE.
Alright, I'm like the accent. Where are you from?
America. Oh,
Alright.
hold on. East Atlanta.
Atlanta. Alright, so what you know now?
From the A.
All the gentlemen right
Like,
here.
obviously you
Listen,
come
you
from
know,
America, big
Walk
head
up
girl.
and find your match. If you want to ask him a question, that's up to you.
I can never hear this. I hear that.
Yeah, but that's shy way, bro. I know my babes again. You know, some two slimmers them come out.
Yeah, use the microphone.
Okay.
Bro, she not no, bro.
Pick them brain a little if you
Man
want. I
said
don't know.
no, bros.
By a pair.
Hear that?
Can I just pick a number?
Damn. She used to do tracks in her high school,
Eeny,
dog.
meeny, miny, mo, catch. Hold on.
Yeah, bro, 100
Eeny, meeny,
meter,
miny,
bro.
mo, catch a tiger by his toe. If he holler, let
Watch
him
them
go.
muscle
Eeny,
there,
meeny,
them
miny,
bicep
mo.
there.
Yeah, man, she used to do tracks, man.
All right. What's your social magic?
She do it by any, mini, miny, mo. No, can't be mine.
All right.
Can't be mine.
So she walk up
Bro,
to you.
come
Is
on,
it
I
Emma?
don't see. Hey, let me stop.
No.
You must say him don't see a nipple.
So you're
What you
you're looking at
holding,
someone.
baby?
Yeah.
All right. So look here. You have a specific reason why you said no, though.
No, not really.
Not really, but you're looking at someone else.
Yeah.
All right. He's exploring like door and boots. All right. So come here. Out of
Yo.
7 males, right? Do you guys see her as a match?
Bomba.
Yo, why am I looking at the camera so?
All right. You didn't get a match today. Walk it out.
Yo, the same
So what
sound
I didn't tell them in the intro
effects.
is, if you reject, you go next.
Oh my god.
Who is your eyes on? Find your
Who
match.
is your eyes on? Nah,
Yeah,
but yo, Jamaican people just
She over here.
She? All right. What's your social?
Bro, she cheesing.
Just that?
cheesing. Browning from
Is he here,
last
man?
video, man.
Yes.
Yes. All right.
Yo,
Come in the middle.
Browning.
Come in the middle. It's not a complete match as yet. So what you know? You're gonna burst your balloon and do the deer that's inside. Deer that's inside. What does your deer say?
Man, slow down.
You see me?
Any up for
15 seconds. Let your match go to any app for 15 seconds. Where's your
You
phone?
see me? All me
Alright.
confused the way my
Hold
try
it and
say
make
like
sure
if
she
him
get it.
can't read it or like
Yeah, you decide.
oh the black girl in the butt nice and pretty too.
Dog, can't read that.
Any app, just give her the phone. Don't give her. Any app you want.
Yo, the youth yeah. The youth yeah is a child. Watch him. Why the youth yeah go on, sir?
Yeah, screw.
Bro, this guy's acting so giddy.
All right. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, give me back in
How
phone.
she scroll through?
You know, say no.
Instagram?
Not interesting. Yeah, you're probably going at the wrong place.
She going on
Anyways,
photos.
Hold
going
it
on
and do
photos.
your there.
Yo, the thing them shoot off, you know.
Post a pic on Instagram with the caption, "My big body."
What?
Oh, you gonna do it?
With him?
Yes.
Most definitely not.
You're not gonna do it.
No, sir.
So you know it's not a match, right?
Alright, cool.
All right, you walk it out.
Most definitely
Come here,
not.
G.
Most definitely
Come here,
not.
my G.
Yo,
Out
I
of the
hope
remaining
Jano, I see you with
5
that free and
females, would you guys see him
Yo,
as
don't put
a
Muslim as them
match?
here. Leave Muslim as them alone.
yo,
Leave my two
the
swimmers
same
in my
sound
load.
effects for
Alright, looks like you
everybody.
get a match today, my G.
The same sound effect, bro.
Hey, rough. Hey, rough.
Yo, what did I use that, dog?
So we're back over the female
Christian, loud man,
side,
dog.
right?
Oh, bro,
We
you
have
might
5
do too much.
females remaining, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gents remaining. So we're gonna go with
What the man do?
female
What the man do? What the man do?
number
That one them the slow dog.
female number 7.
Yes, let me see who
Come here,
she
let me have
like.
the 7. What's your
Let me
social?
see who she like. Well,
Instagram, Renisha,
But
business
she not-
page,
she not post
custom
nothing?
_fits,
Custom
TikTok,
fits.
Renisha.
All right. Find your match, Anisha. Just find a match, man. Anyone you feel like could be your match.
I'm going to go on TikTok and see if I can find
I don't know
it.
if you want to ask them a question or anything.
Renisha. Renisha, come on.
Anyone, man. Come on.
That set me off.
Not, yeah, me actually set you up. I want to give you love. I want to let you find love. Let's go.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, you can. But let's use up the mic. Yeah.
So why me a tremble?
I don't know, you're not. I remember what it. Let's go. Which one we go? Which one we go first?
ask all of them.
All of them? All right, let's go. Let's start here.
Krishna,
Where we
find our
go?
page for me now.
Narrow it down to your top 3 then, man.
Man, what? This is a secret agent.
All right, let's go here first. Here? Oh, him.
What's your name?
All right, let's go.
Renisha.
What is your
On
question?
TikTok.
Um,
Come on.
What's her name?
we do long-term or short-term relationship.
It depends on how the female react in a relationship.
You're interested in it?
Video game, football.
No, long or short.
A long relationship, man. One married in the future is it.
I don't know if I spell that, uncle.
You sure I kid it?
So you sure I kid it?
No, it's just show me a tone out as it. Kind of a reach out, man.
That one that icky.
No, man. One finger them. You see my finger them? A reach out.
All right, so that's everything. Well,
Well,
are you staying here?
She like bleach.
Staying here?
She
So
like
what's your number, G?
bleacher?
What's your social?
I never mind that. I
Kim
can't
and
mind
DG.
type then.
All right. Is it that much?
Bitch, man. The man that.
What you want me to
Because this morning she's
Is that much? Yeah. All right, forward that, amigo.
You see?
Forward that.
I'm going to know she have little sense to you know, because she has to like, where you want me spin for? Cause where you want she spin for? She no need for spin from your look.
You see me?
Yo.
You don't look on her face.
Dog.
Amigo. So what you know? Renisha, you're going to birth your balloon and let's see the deer that's inside.
I can breathe.
You want me to birth of you?
how much money you
You afraid of the balloon? You afraid of the balloon? All right, let's go.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
You want me to read it out? Do you want me to read it out? Eh?
Do your best gag sound.
God so.
Do your best gag sound.
You serious?
Yes, yes, she
I
yes.
hear that.
Yes,
Anybody ready?
yes, them
Yeah.
serious.
I don't know.
Who tells
Man,
you
on him and you, what kind of deer that,
Don't
brother?
know.
For
Oh, you
YouTube.
gag without something in your mouth.
The argument is sound bigger than me.
Oh, you gag without
That's
something
sound
in your
bigger
mouth?
than me. So you have to put me in your mouth first?
No, me just a say.
So you're gonna do it?
Me don't know if I gag. Without
She like, hug, yeah, I know me, but she like, oh, she like. You're not gonna do it.
Oh my
Don't
god.
worry, I found her Instagram and her TikTok.
You like cars and it be my drive fast show running anyway.
Jaja.
What's that thing like that?
What? What him say?
I'm okay. Jaja.
They never mock yet. She like, you know. What is mock?
I'm gonna say I know.
What is mock?
You give me a basic explanation. What you said? A food you eat what taste, man.
Oh, you gag without something in your mouth.
She wanna know. Oh, you go. So look at so watch you now. So watch you now. Hold on. So some have to go in your mouth. Don't got me now.
Yo, here there.
Where you get it sound?
Turn to the camera. Turn your back. Pretend that something is in your mouth.
Wait.
What?
What you mean? Gag and moan or what?
No, you know that sound when something on the throat and that make
Something
me
on what you what?
pretend. Oh, you fake moan. Fake gag.
I don't know how to do that.
Big more.
Fake gag.
You know that shit go do that.
No, sir.
Me moan, but like gag.
Alright, that's moan for
Fake
you.
moan.
Cranko.
Crank. Ah!
You got a moan?
She said no.
You're moaning right now? That name Killwood. Anyway, do you work your ball? She not do the dear.
As she shouldn't, as a lady of class and
Why you
dignity. You see, I tell you, I know if I choose good woman, you know. My woman, them never yet disrespect themselves on camera.
You like to look nice and you get lucky, dog.
And I get lucky at 2 times in a row. It, oh man, I lucky that.
Bro, watch out, luck, bros. Enough people have lucky streak for all 10 times in a row and then drop off and can't lick nothing again in a bro.
That and a luck, bro. Them was supposed to hit that 10 times in a streak, bro. And a luck, bro. I want to know, dog. Give me my credit, man. My credit, man.
Let your match.
I know if I choose, I'm a matchmaker.
Let your match do a breath test. Are you gonna do it?
A breath test. Smell the man breath? No, sir.
Are you gonna do it?
No, sir.
Blue and eye first.
Blowing our feet? Yeah, you know. I don't know if you're gonna do it.
No, me not think so.
You're gonna do it?
Me not think so. Me not think me that do that.
I blew our keys, sorry, sir.
No, like
No, sir.
In the air from the.
You're gonna do it?
This blue and eye face, sir.
No, don't do
I make you
it.
smell your breath.
Don't do
Your
it.
mouth stink or something. Alright, go close and talk. There's something nice, man.
There's something nice in her nose, my friend.
Man just blowing her face.
You good? You valid? You valid?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you gonna do your day now, cause he did it.
I don't know how to. If I know how to, I would.
I feel like more and give this a match. Cause you're not there, dear. You want a more then? Let's substitute it for that.
Huh?
On TV.
You're not up on TV, yes. Baby, show them you have dignity. Don't do it.
Wait.
Before
What?
me, you roll bigger than a brown bread.
My man
Yo,
say,
no
yo,
free
put
promo,
some with
hold
our
it.
truth.
No free promo. Let's go. Let's move.
No. Come and do it myself.
Yes.
Watch her, watch her.
Myself.
Yeah, because you just tell the room, say you're moan. What you mean, why them a look for you?
And it's thinking at the junk of them at me line, but
No.
Come here.
No.
Come here. Here we go now. Here we go.
No.
You didn't do your dear. So walk it out. No match. No match. No match.
But
No
it's a match, so you can link her after the video.
But
You can link her
remaining
after
four
the video.
females. Do you guys see him as a match?
Slimmers just look nicer
Alright.
and nicer every
Walk it
time
up,
I see
Maggie.
her, bro. I swear.
yeah.
Yo, she just look nicer and nicer every time I see
Alright.
her, bro. I
So we're back
swear.
over the male side. And we have 5 males remaining. We're going to split it down the middle again. Let's go with male number 3. With 3. Alright? Where's social magic?
Again, the score YG, you know.
Alright, so watch out now.
Man say, you know.
Am I
No,
gonna
I
find
don't
you
know.
much magic?
That's what you're telling me. What you mean?
Any one of the 4 beautiful females remaining? Let's go.
Slimmers, look up that. Slimmers.
I love proving.
Sashi.
Vagabond, I love proof.
Macyana underscore on Instagram and TikTok. It's a girl Macy.
Alright, so Macy. Is he your match?
No,
No?
What?
Why?
Macy.
it's just not my match.
Just not your match. You have your eyes on someone else? Alright.
Macy,
Oh,
what you have your
magic?
hype on? Move them not reject you, you know.
So what you know?
No,
Any
sir.
of the other
That chocolate girl had
For another
the
middle
end. She
magic?
nice, she nice. What a
You guys
booty.
see her face.
I'm gonna see her face long
Any of
time.
the
I see
other
her face whole
remaining
heap of
3
time. I want to.
females? Do you guys see him as a match? This is a no match.
Yo, Slimmers
Walk
don't
it
look up
Maggie.
all now, you know. Slimmers don't look up all
So guys,
now.
we're
Wonder
down
who
to
Slimmers
4.
was.
Yo, the girl never
Each.
butt
Zane?
on her.
Who that?
Guys, we're down to 4.
On her butt, just
Oh, yeah.
So guys, we're down to 4 each. Zane, we don't have the match yet. It look like the Ochi people. St. Ann people, they don't like love. What are they listen to so much Chronicler and something, man? And listen to Marvin Gaye and you know? And,
Why?
Michael Jackson, Bob Marley, no little love. And at the same time, Bob Marley come from. That's so cliche. Anyways, you rejected. So you're going next. Find your match.
But I put them.
Oh, you like our foot? Why she a tell you that?
Just
Oh, yeah?
What kind of question that?
You know him say look on her foot them. Some say why you like her foot?
no.
Alright. Forward and wiggle. Alright. Watch out
Oh,
now,
all
live.
them says a match.
Show to the
Alright.
socials, my G.
Anything go like boss YouTube, you don't like boss Instagram though.
Alright.
Okay?
Make sure to subscribe
What?
to live.
What's that sound him just make?
You don't like boss Instagram though.
Yeah.
Okay?
Sure,
Kya?
subscribe
What's
to
that? What is that? What is that?
Don't lie about Instagram, though.
Alright.
Kya?
What is
Subscribe to
that?
Live and follow
What does
G
that
on
mean?
Instagram. Kya?
I try to say him
Alright,
don't
so
care,
Kya
bro.
world.
Like,
Macy,
pay attention,
gonna
man.
burst your balloon
Jay, him just say kya.
and do your
He didn't
dare.
say him
That's
don't care.
inside.
Him never said none of that. Him just say kya.
Really dare.
You can't tell me what you mean by that, bro.
What does your dare say?
Can't read.
What is
Out
it?
loud, not be able to can't read your mind.
What is it,
Tell
man?
your much the dirtiest dream you ever had.
Alright, let's hear that.
Dirtiest dream
as in the
ever.
rudest one. The naughtiest one.
I mean, never do it before.
It's a dream.
You're about
But no
never
one
do it
tell you
before.
first.
Come on, you're gonna do the dare or not? Are
You
you
want
go
to do
back to
before
the-
dirty.
No, why here? Why here?
I'm not do that.
You're not gonna do it? You want to tell me anything?
Yeah, but
Go on.
so why did? Why did?
No, we have crank up gang one here.
Crank up Jaguar here.
Crank up.
You're not
She
gonna do it.
looks cool.
Alright, live. Bro. Go on in there.
Krishna, everybody looks slow to you, bro.
Sorry.
Post a pic with your match on Instagram with the caption,
Baby,
Baby.
until midnight.
until midnight. Yeah, man, send me a picture. Send me a
You
picture,
want
no? Yeah, man, just send me a picture.
No man, take a picture with her right now.
Yeah,
Where
man,
your phone
that
is?
one, see phone as well.
Alright, go for your phone, Maggie.
What I got take picture with her?
Really like, man.
Man say baby until
Same
midnight.
caption, my friend, same caption.
But as
Yeah.
a man, you no look nowhere post that
Yeah,
though.
baby. You know,
Baby,
like
what's
my
that,
baby.
baby?
You know, look at art emojis and
How
look
long
at
it take us stay?
until midnight.
Yeah, she did with the match in the
Oh,
three, me have to win
yeah.
about channel.
Are you gonna do it?
Yeah.
Six o'clock. Yeah, yeah,
Nah. Bro,
Yeah,
James
yeah,
Rodriguez
yeah.
love Colombia, you know, like that's his country, you know, bro.
You can't do it.
Then how was
A
that
goal and
date?
two
How was
assists.
that dream, man? Are you gonna do it live?
Yeah, man, post her, man. Oh, for how long?
Until midnight.
Until midnight?
If it's 7 o'clock right now, like 5 hours time.
Alright, no.
Hey, 5 hours not that bad.
Just snap, do anything you want to do, my G. I don't know what you want to do. Take a selfie, something. On your what?
See
On your
Krish,
timeline.
see Krish, I can see her face, she cute.
though.
Timeline?
Not on your story.
Timeline?
Alright.
Yeah, on your timeline, yeah.
No problem. No, nice tune in my emotion.
You have it in there, no?
You have in there too?
Yeah.
So what is the
Let me
picture?
take a picture.
Just,
Let me take the picture.
The man tell you to take a selfie, bro.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah, boy! Oi!
Alright, alright. So save this. We're gonna save this.
No, that's what you
And then
mean.
we're gonna put it
Bro,
on your
these women have no self-respect.
timeline. Did? Oh shit. On your timeline. Are you alright? Alright.
Yes, man.
My baby. Art emoji. We not tag you, 'cause you know they're there. You know they're there. We're posting. She gonna do it? Alright, we're waiting for upload. We're ready to upload. I'll go for the internet. Alright. Alright.
What's it,
We're not tagging you. We're not tagging you. You're gonna tell your story? Just a quick story. You don't have to go much in detail.
It's so dark so fast, man. All time.
So on one night, I had this dream about.
Yo, Jay, shut up now.
Sorry,
Alright. They don't want the rest of them here.
What she say now? What she say? Let me hear what she say.
Me not here.
No, sir. No, no, sir. No, sir. She said something about private part in a female. No, sir. Me not like that. Me not like that dream there.
Yo,
Come here.
the dream that sound like a setup here.
slide. Now wasted. Now we about it.
It can be a complete matching, right?
But you know what? She said something like dream boy. You know me not that though.
Yeah. You know what?
You know me not that part though.
Alright, so we can call the match. We can call the match.
Can call it a match.
Alright, we have our first match, guys. Let's go.
Yeah, I want to take
Alright, we have our first first match.
Yo, that's the first match towards the end of the video. Yo, the man look like a demon and him a walk up for a costume.
The first match, guys. Let's go. We have the first match.
Watch out, watch out that.
Yeah. Alright, we have our first match.
No, sir.
No, bro, what is
We're
that?
getting down to the nitty-gritty.
Yo, Slimmers is
you know?
still
Get you
here,
away,
bro. Slimmers need to just call me, you know. Call me, yeah.
So we have 3 males
Enough
remaining.
for the
you
match
need
for
DM
you.
Slimmer, that's
Let's
you.
get male
What is that?
number few.
You need
Male
to DM
number 2.
Slimmer, that's with you.
I don't know her IG. Let's forget her IG.
Gang. What is social, my G?
Call me, yeah.
Them are the kid. Yeah. Alright, so what you know, my bro?
Man,
Find your match.
Better you talk somebody else.
Why Slimmers a look down so? She like him. Slimmers like him. She like him. Oh, she like the
That's
other
right, so
nigga.
don't pick me.
Oh, she like the other nigga.
Yeah, brother. I don't know, she not look on him. Every time she look up, she look somewhere else.
Yeah, she like the other
I'm a
nigga.
farmer. I'm a farmer, okay? So
I'm a
like,
farmer, okay?
like if you want help, for like with the
A DJ, the teacher, farmer.
like, feed them, you would help me.
Yeah, man, no problem.
All right.
What's it?
And my next job is I'm work on garbage truck too as well. So like you would still there with me?
If you were funny.
I work on garbage truck too.
Yeah.
You sure?
What? Why you look so?
She didn't want to know.
Yeah,
no.
she want
Go
to
Go back and
know.
look on her face, brother. She didn't want to know.
Yeah, she
brother.
want to
She said,
know.
I can't say no on the camera.
Yeah, she would want to know, brother.
Yeah, brother, and she laugh after it too.
She just don't want to look bad. She just don't want to look
But
bad.
which one of them?
Yeah, brother, she know she gonna get roast in her comments.
My Loki want him.
Garbage truck.
Why?
You know me, I come
What
with
do you
you.
mean you look?
Oh, she said
Kinda
true.
something that.
No, she said she know him no work on garbage truck. Him a TikToker. She know him no work on garbage truck.
You know me, I come
That's
with
why.
you.
That's why she look like she just want to say no, cause she know him no work on garbage truck. That she said.
Really, just like she in high school.
You know me, I
bro.
come with you.
Who that? Not the middle?
Cause
Yeah.
I pick that one.
You want that? I must say last.
Yeah. Alright. What is your social?
One of them high school girl.
TonyShay, TONI.SHAYE.
Just
Yo,
act like
alright.
What is your social?
Bro,
Tony Shay,
her IG picture is literally just her bottom, bro. Not even her face, bro. Like, just your bottom alone.
Nice.
That's all she has to advertise, bro, you know, see?
Have a
Hold up.
Yeah.
Alright.
She.
What is your social?
Here, Abba.
Tony Shay,
Here, Abba. And that the man good.
That's Instagram.
Instagram and TikTok.
Same name.
No, the man
Tony.
quiet the whole video
Is
and
he
pop
Emma?
up for that. I mean, she look nice still. I'm just saying, you could have put your face on your profile picture.
What do you think? Come on, look, show your nice face. What do you think? Is that match?
The shorts,
Honestly?
the jeans, or pants.
I don't know what she said. Yeah.
I thought it was pants.
Honestly,
Yeah.
Yeah,
I like
no,
the
okay.
shorts too.
like
but
short shots.
I would have to
Leather
say
shots.
no.
You know?
Leather short
She'd have on
shots.
a shirt so short,
no.
it would have been a problem. still.
Alright, kid.
No, we really
Step
like
back
the
in the middle, my G.
Yeah, her skin nice.
All of the
clean,
remaining
man,
two
nice, clean
females.
skin, man.
Yeah, that hurt me.
Do you guys
Feel
see
me
him
out,
as
I
a
hurt
match?
Oh God, right now,
Yeah?
need a
At the first, me see this. Come here, me like this.
Nah,
Come
true, she
here.
know him though.
This
She know
chick.
him. She know him.
This
She
chick, me
know
like
him.
this.
She know him.
Me see me like this.
She know
At the
him.
first someone ever walk
She know him.
over. Me know the comments I got have a jolly time with this.
She know him.
Show to this.
Me not feel no way, cause she
Scales
know him.
underscore boss.
Yup. Alright, may I pause the video cause I need to get the IG straight and proper right now. Me even I got itch.
You're the man.
Bro, you
know,
know, see, she have her match already, bro.
No,
You're too
that's
late.
that's just for the video, bro. That's just for the video, bro. Don't watch that, bro. Don't watch that,
No,
bro.
no,
Don't watch that,
no,
bro.
that's so that
Don't watch that, bro.
So that work.
Just for the
Alright,
video, bro.
kid.
So that work.
It's just for the
I gotta
video,
go
bro.
Birth your balloon. And do the deal.
You go and
Alright,
illusionize
burst-
yourself. That,
Burst
yeah?
your balloon.
What do you say?
I'm facing this along. Let your match touch your
What do you
body.
say? Read out my prayer, man.
Let your match touch your tree body that. Tree
Alright,
body
supposed
that.
to be. It's my bad, guys. Let your match touch 3 body parts that attracts her. that she likes, that she favors, right? Just 3 body part. Any part, 3 part on him that you like.
Mama.
Anywhere you want touch.
Man look nervinous. What she said? Chest. She like chest. Alright, me I go to the gym go do some push up tomorrow.
You want touch.
Push up. Push up. Push up.
Yeah, man. I feel attract weight.
What?
I want you hold on him back or shoulder.
Where was the third part? In neck? In neck? I third part then? When third part? In back?
So.
You like
She
it,
like
Neil?
back.
Alright? Alright?
Bro, that's what's
You okay?
up, bro. What you mean? She grabbed that, bro.
Alright.
Yo, she fully just whoom.
Oh shit.
No,
No, give me aggressive.
What
Check my
does
top
your
in
Neil
there.
say?
And that me like. Top me.
Yo,
Yo.
I know that you want to know, Papa.
And that me wa. Oh, you gonna tell me where me wa.
Boy, that ain't know.
Kiss anybody
Yeah,
part
right.
on your match. Right? Where are you gonna kiss? Anybody part. Anywhere you want. Oh.
Wee.
Come here. Come here. Me like that. You okay, kid?
You might try hold him composure, watch him.
But try hold it today, but try
So
hold
guys,
it.
you good? You good?
Me good.
People pants.
Alright? You okay with your match, right?
Am I
Walk
beards?
it down. We have a second match.
Am I beards?
Alright, guys. We have a second
Yeah,
match.
no,
We have
that's
a
right.
second match. Alright. So we're down to 2
Pretty sure you
and
must
2. 2
I just
and
know,
2.
bro.
2 and 2.
He just got
and we're
assaulted,
over
bro.
the
You mean?
female side. I don't even feel like more on calling them. I feel like me just I feel like me just pick. Let's go with numbers. Female number 5. That's you. Alright. What's your social?
What's
Cool
your social?
Ellis _576.
Alright, Cooley.
What a
What are the
576
2
mean?
remaining gents? I want you to find your match.
The replacement for 8, cause the 876 did taken.
You don't know that.
Shut up your mouth.
Which one you think?
Can't read.
Anyone you think, man? Him? Alright. What's your social, Maggie?
My name again? Oh, Mario _ not Coast Dream.
Alright.
Yeah.
Instagram, right?
Instagram, YouTube, Outdoor Adventure TV.
Alright. Is she your match?
Repeat?
Is she your match?
Yeah, man. Active.
Alright.
Like, tell me this time.
Alright. Alright. So what you know? I want you to burst your balloon.
Because I
And do
hit
your
no
dear.
mustard.
You know
What is
what, bossy? You know what, bossy? You don't want to
Remember
burst-
Hitler
Oh, sorry,
mustache?
sorry.
Yeah.
Oh,
What's the deal-
Rascalty
what's the deal
mustache
say?
fall for true.
Say something freaky that you would do
Nah,
to
but
your
Dog, you must such a piss me off, dog.
Are you gonna
Remember
do it?
him at the slow nigga from the last one, bro? From Rolly video.
You said no?
Dog.
Turn it back.
Him at the same slow nigga from Rolly video, bro.
Right.
You want to do it? You're going to say it out loud or I need to hear?
Good finger.
Nigga.
Yeah, the
Alright.
gun finger,
You
brother,
give me
yeah.
the-
We hold the mic, so. Until the girl
Don't
say,
steal now.
my man, a gunman, though.
So, I'm really go to yours.
What? Huh?
What?
Huh?
No, one wrong.
Oh, that's good. Alright. What? Burst your balloon.
You ever had tears, ears?
Ears
Ear wax?
wax, ears wax.
What you say?
That's disgusting.
Really nasty, dog.
Lord.
Walk up to your match and give your best pick up bomb clap. Give your best pick up line.
Walk up to your match and give your best pickup line.
Pick up line, one hand there.
What are you think I gotta do now, dog? Man, always
You
up
wanna
to
do it?
something, you know, bro.
But me,
Just start for and walk up, man.
I'm more
Get
than
your
a man
talk.
talk.
Do your thing.
More than a man talk, man.
What if anyone with it on? You need to talk up. Use the talk up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Dog, allow the man to go to work,
Alright,
no man. I'm here.
Me no say nothing.
just
Me no say nothing.
Looking at
Hello, the man make him
man.
Oh, sorry.
Man, just looking at them, man.
Bro, he's stuttering.
Man,
He's literally.
just
Sala. Why him just say right there, so? Sala. Sala. What is that? What is all
It's them
Sala? Him never say moms.
Man, just looking at
Just
That's what I'm looking at you.
Looking at you, yeah.
you
You know?
Alright, sorry.
man, just looking at them, man. Everything, man.
Yeah,
Just
man.
looking at them. Like the lights off, to know darkness, you know.
Like, what that is?
If you don't know how to pick up line, ask me. Fantasy smart, you see me? Dance.
Dance!
Zach, very well. Zach, I feel it, I feel it.
If you don't know how to pick up line,
Yo, see, Dance! No, not bad. No, not bad, not bad.
They really love man, dog.
What is? What's your
It's after kind of darkness, I know.
What's your thumbs? What's your thumbs?
Do it to you, see me?
What's your thumbs?
If you don't know how to pick up line, ask me. Fantasy smart, Dance.
Forward.
Seal it off, General. Seal it.
So walk it out. Walk it out. We have a third match. Walk it out.
Dance.
Yo, this dance for true.
1-on-1. Right? So the female just go a while ago.
Oh, God.
So I'm going to give you the opportunity to talk to her, reserve whatever you want to do, and find out if it's a match. Alright? What's the social?
Mr. Famous.
Alright.
Personal page, all in the fame, now coast trending, and the biggest right now talent show up on the coast, you know what I mean?
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Alright, follow up from the on the cuisine. Do you think, my G?
My question to you. You can cook? What the hardest thing for cook?
What?
I'm not not my hard to cook.
Oh, she's a cook? Yeah.
She have it.
Yeah.
Hear the
Final thing?
That's it.
it? No, sir, me not like that.
Is he your match?
Me not like that.
Honestly, no.
Yeah, me not like that.
Why?
Me not like that.
I like black man.
I'm right here, baby.
Yo, dog, this is like, bro, what is this, dog?
Yo,
We don't move past them something already.
Okay. One was confused.
But bro, like, all him confused, like, he must say, oh, really now? Like, bro, for real, bro, you gotta just dash way, you know, so, like, a potential love, because, alright, bro, fine.
Okay, you like dark?
No, but wait, is that part?
Because he isn't her ideal complexion. You see how woman work?
Bro, it's fine,
Make
bro.
a man say that. Make a man go up on one of them something and say, yo, him not want the girl because him like light skinned woman.
Yeah.
Zach, I never him ask when I girl him what's her favorite fast food.
Yes, in a rolly video. In a rolly video, yeah.
So what's her favorite what?
Fast food. Oh yeah! I know him come back, come ask if she can. That you tell love him belly.
Love food, brother.
That you tell love him belly. No, brother.
Careful, go in the sun, bro. Get the comment in, bro. Girl, them no one here, bro.
Bro, we can't go in the sun, bro. I'm in the room at the reaction. Them need to have a anti-rubbing cream, like a cream that can make you get black when you're inside, bro. Cause the girl them love dark skin, man, bro. I'm in a dark skin, bro. So that's why I'm a single, bro. Cause no girl no like me, cause I'm in a dark skin, bro. Cause I'm ugly, bro. That's why the girl don't like me, bro.
Still in a butts.
Bro.
Yeah.
And nothing is wrong with that. Alright? So I guess it's no match for both of y'all. Walk it out. Alright. So we've made it to the end of the video, right?
Bro, I could never be in one of these, bro.
I still want to give a big thanks to Beef Pork. You understand? Beef Pork. The link is in the description. Make sure you guys click the link in the description to see the available dates and the affordable rates. I feel like I come at Ochi. I wonder if I sell a place. I feel like I'm going to buy, you know. I've never seen nothing nice. I've never been in anything nice like this. Because I want to board house, I catch it, you know. I want to match it box. So this feel like luxury to me. You understand? This is luxury. So anyways, click the link. But before we go, these are the matches. And these are the no matches. And I know my style. Crank up. Be at Gally Danwalk.
Yeah, dark skin woman sexy. Nah, bro. Yeah, and you. She my favorite, man. I love her. Yeah, get these niggas off my fucking screen. I don't give a fuck about you niggas, bro. Get y'all niggas the fuck
Man,
off my
fuck 'em.
screen.